Hey amigo, here's a WILDTRAK. It's available, brand new. Showing an appearance on the outer side and work my way inside. Of course, the larger wheels. Striping on it. What they call it, the Sasquatch package. HardTop. It actually has insulated panels on the inside for noise. Get your fog lights, tow hooks. Let me know. And with the keyless entry, the remote start. Big 10 ounce. Insulated panels all talking about. See them up close. Got blind spot monitoring on blitz. In the corner of the mirror, there it is. Two-tone seating. Got a little pattern in the seat. That WILDTRAK look. That's awesome. You control windows. Different terrain. Goat mode, low climate control for delicate people. These are heated seats. There's a push button to start. Has navigation, different controls, off terrains, upper switches for any add-on. Goes for a few controls, latches. You take this driver's side, passenger only. Store them in the back. They still sells containers. I think it comes with bags. There you go. Up down windows. Pause the video at any time. Enough of that. Manual, of course. brand new. 104 100 miles right now. Lane keeping. Sound system control. Cruise control. Bluetooth. Let's look underneath the engine compartment. Underneath the hood, I'm sorry. So this is the larger V6. Everybody desired this one. This is a 2.7. Lots of components. I don't know nothing about no engine, but everybody likes to look underneath it. So here we go. Go ahead and turn it on. Oh, my bad. I'll go ahead and turn it on. While I'm in here, check the rest of this stuff. Your large screen, navigation, Apple and CarPlay. Everything usually by videos. So you go back to the home screen, reverse camera, park assist, or predict the path as I'm turning the wheel, or look straight down at the receiver. My butt's getting warm. This one had the heating seats on. So again, go climate control. Each one had their own. Yes, I know the hood's ajar. Alright, before you get too bored, here's the engine running. Again, this is the larger of the two. Everybody wants a 2.7. The option is Everglade and WILDTRAK. And of course, the Bronco Raptor. Again, Ivan Lopez, 985, 966, 9443. Let me know. This could be you going down the wheels, going down the highway. One more time with everything open. If I get too bored, show you one last view of the outside. This could be you. Let me know. Ivan Lopez, 95 966 9443.